Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So for today, what I'm going to teach you is how to see BeReal without posting. So first, all we have to do is to click on our BeReal app, and you see that you have to click discovery, and there is no way that you can see your friends post without posting first. So we can just capture anything, and then once you've done that, just wait for a few moments and then click send, and then just you can add caption or just post it, and then wait for a moment, and you can see that you can now view your friends post or anyone's post. So that's it for today's video. If this was helpful, kindly like, comment down below if you have questions, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you again to the next one.